fear and anxiety. It's leading to thousands of avoidable deaths. Broke the NHS. Until this morning, we didn't know the full scale of the damage which is laid bare in the report. It is unforgivable, and people have every right to be angry. Some of these failings are literally life and death. Take the waiting times in A&E. More than 100,000 infants waited more than 6 hours last year. And nearly a tenth of all patients are now waiting for 12 hours or more. That's not just a source of fear and anxiety. It's leading to thousands of avoidable deaths.